Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me once again. This is Children's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. We continue with our solutions to Neco 2024, Paper 2, Part 1. This is Mathematics. In my previous video, I've solved question 1, 2, and with us here is question 3. Question 3, we have question 3a and question 3b. If you are joining me for the first time, please thank you for coming. Question 3a reads, the vertices of a triangle, this sign means triangle, PQR, are P, minus 3 and 8. That's point P is minus 3, 8 rather. Then point Q is 4, 3 and point R is 1, 2. Vertices means the corners of our triangles. Okay? We are asked to find the equation of the lines PQ and QR. Roman numerals 1, PQ, Roman numerals 2, QR. That's question 3a. Question 3b reads, the interior angles of a hexagon are x plus 5 all in bracket power degree, 2x plus 4 all in degree, then x plus 10 all in degree, 2x plus 2 all in degree, 3x plus 2 all in degree, and x plus 15 all in degree. We are asked to find the value of x. First thing to do is to identify this question A is from which topic. Of course, question A is from coordinate geometry. Then question B is from angles in a polygon. Let's look at how we can solve this. Let's move here. The first thing for us to do, write down the solution to 3a now. We have to draw triangle here. So let's draw our triangle this way, and let me draw it very well. The triangle will be like this, something of this nature. This is our triangle, and let's say we have our point P here, which is minus 3, 8. As I said before, the vertices means at the corners of this triangle here. Point P, then let's say Q is here, which is giving us 4, 3. Then R is here, which is giving us 1, 2. So this is how the triangle is going to be. Next, we are asked to find the equation of the line P to Q. What will be the equation of this line now? Okay, equation of a line between 2 points is giving us the equation of a line between between 2 points is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 will be equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x minus x2. This right hand side is the slope though, is the formula for slope. So we can use this formula to find the equation between P and Q, line PQ. Okay, let's move here. To do that, we can use that formula. P to Q, meaning we are starting from P, then Q. Of course, here will be our x1, y1. Here will be our x2, y2, respectively. Our x1 and y1 has to be from the starting point. Where P to Q means you are moving from P, then Q. Okay, so let's substitute this information into this equation. We'll have y minus y2 now. y1 is 8 divided by x minus x1, which is minus 3. Minus times minus is plus. Here will be plus 3, will be equals to y2. y2 is 3 minus y1. y1 is 8 divided by x2. x2 is 4. That will be 4 minus 3. That will be plus 3. Okay, so this will be y minus 8 divided by x plus 3 This will be equals to 3 minus 8, of course, will be minus 5. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. So at this point, we can cross multiply. Let's move here. Since we are almost through with the question, let's leave Roman numerals 2. Okay, so the next thing to do is to cross multiply here. So 7 times y minus 8, this will be 7 into y minus 8 will be equals to minus 5 times x plus 3. This will be minus 5 into x plus 3. So we can clear the bracket here to find the equation. 7 times y, of course, is 7y minus 7 times minus 8. That will be 56. That will be, since there is minus here, it will be 56. This will be equals to minus 5 times x is minus 5. Minus times positive is minus 5 times 3 is 15. So we can rearrange this. This will be 7y plus 5x minus 56 plus 15 will be equals to 0. Okay, let's remove here. Since we are looking for QR, that will be the next equation to find. Okay, this will be 7y now plus 5x. Then we minus 56 plus 15. Let's do it here. Minus 56, then 15. Of course, this will be 1 and this will be 4. Since the larger number here has negative sign, it will be negative 41, will be equals to 0. So this will be the equation between point P and Q. This equation of a straight line now, because this is linear. If you look at this variable x and y, the leading power is 1, 1 here. So this is linear. So we know the equation of PQ now. We move to QR, that's Roman numerals 2. Let's move here to do that. Let's clean here. Okay, so let's write down the equation is y minus y1, then x minus x1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if we're looking at q to r, it means the starting point will be q now. So here we change to be x1, y1, then this will be x2, y2 respectively. Okay, so we have y now minus y1 now is 3, that will be minus 3 divided by x minus x1. Our x1 here is 4, that will be minus 4. This will be equals to y2. Y2 is 2 minus y1. Y1 is 3 divided by x2. X2 is 1 minus x1 is 4. The same thing with Roman numerals 1. What we did in Roman numerals 1 is the same thing. So this will be y minus 3 divided by x minus 4. This will be equals to 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, let's permit me to clean this so that we can solve that Roman numerals 2. So at this point, we can cross multiply. Minus 3 times the whole of this will be minus 3 into y minus 3 will be equals to minus 1 times the whole of this will be minus 1 into x minus 4. So we can clear the bracket at this point. Minus 3 times y, that will be minus 3y. Minus times minus is plus. 3 times 3 is 9. This will be equals to minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus times minus is plus 4. So let's rearrange this. This will be minus 3y plus, when this minus x cross the equal sign, it will be plus x plus 9 minus 4 equals to 0. This will be minus 3y plus x plus 9 minus 4 is plus 5 equals to 0. Based on the equation of a straight line, which is y equals to mx plus c, our y must be a positive, must have a coefficient of positive. The coefficient must be positive rather. So it means to remove this negative, we have to multiply through by minus 1. So let me clean here. Permit me to clean here to do that. As I said, based on the equation of a straight line, y, the coefficient of y must be positive. So multiplying through by minus 1, we'll have 3y minus x minus 5 will be equals to 0. So this is the equation between q and r. So this is the solution to A. Let's move to B. Solution to B now. Uh, where the interior angles of a hexagon. Hexagon means six-sided polygon. Hexagon means six-sided polygon. So if you count the angles here, it will be six. One, two, three, four, five, six. This is hexagon, six-sided polygon. So we have to find the sum of interior angle of hexagon. Sum of interior angles of a polygon is equals to n, which is the number of side now, minus 2 times 180 degree. So this is the formula we are going to use to find the sum first. When we find this sum, we sum all the angles here equals to the sum. So in place n now, since we are talking about hexagon, n is 6. So we substitute n equals to 6 into this. So this will be 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180 degree. Permit me to use calculator. Uh, let's use our calculator here. 4 times 180, that will be 720. That will be 720 degrees. So the sum of interior angle of a hexagon is 720. Let's move here so that we can sum those angles now. So let's start with the summation now. It's very long, but let's see how we can do it. So we have x, first one is x plus 5, all in degree plus. We are adding now, we are summing. The next will be 2x plus 4, all in degree, plus x plus 10, all in degree, plus 2x plus 2, all in degree, plus 3x plus 2 all in degree plus the last but not the least now will be x plus 15 all in degree. This must be equals to 720 degrees. So our aim is to find x. So let's remove the brackets. That's the next thing to do. So removing the bracket now, we have x degree plus 5 degree plus 2x degree plus 4 degree. Next, it will be plus x degree plus 10 degree plus 2x degree plus 2 degree plus 3x degree plus 2 degree. Next will be x degree plus 15 degree will be equals to 720 degrees. Okay, so I can clean the question now because we are almost there. We are asked to find the value of x. So let's get enough space here. Uh, Next thing to do, let's add the variable x. X degree plus 2x, this will be 3x, this will be 4x, this will be 6x, this will be 9x, and this is 10x degree. 10x degree plus. Let's sum the numbers now. This will be 5, and this will be 5 plus 4, that's 9. 9 plus 10, of course, is 19. 19 plus 2, that's 21. 21 plus 2, that's 23. Then 23 plus 15, that will be 38. That will be 38 degree equals to 720 degrees. Let's still verify to be sure. X plus 3x, 4x, 6x, 9x, then 10x. Yes, it's correct. This is 9, 19, 21, 23 plus 15. 23 plus 15, that's 38. Yes, we are there. We are correct. So to find x now, we collect like times here. This will be 10x degree will be equals to 720 degree minus this plus 38. If it crosses this equal sign, it will be negative. Or we can say find the identity inverse of plus 28, plus 38 rather. That will be minus 38. Meaning subtract 38 from both sides. That's another way of doing this. This will be 38 degrees. So we are almost there. Next is to subtract this. This will be 10x degree will be equals to 720 minus 38. That will be 682 degrees. Okay, we are asked to find the value of x. We can divide this. Okay, so we'll be left with 10x equals to 662. Okay, let's 682 rather. Let's divide both sides by 10 now. Let's divide both sides by 10. X will be equals to 682 divided by 10. That will be 68.2. So the value of x is 68.2. This is the solution to this question 3b. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you for watching.